As a homeowner with a garden, you know the importance of having the right tool to reach the areas that a lawnmower just can't. This Ryobi 33cm easy edge line trimmer does everything you'd want from a line trimmer, but it also has an incredible edging function that you don't get anywhere else. Now, a lot of you will be using your current line trimmer to do your edging tasks around the garden. Frequently you'll find that you'll have to use it at a 90-degree angle where the blade guard will block your field of view. Now, with this easy edge system, that's different. You can operate it as a normal trimmer because it rotates 90 degrees and it even has a walk behind system, which means you get a perfect view every time. It's really easy to change between the line trimmer mode and the easy edge mode as well. Just a simple flick on the foot pedal, a little kick round, and there you're ready to go. And it even comes with a wheel attached as standard, which means you're going to get a consistent height every time you're cutting around your paths or your flower beds in your garden. As a line trimmer, this does everything you could possibly want and expect from a line trimmer of this size. It's more powerful than you'll ever need to get through your standard garden clearing tasks, and you can purchase an optional plastic blade to replace the line if you need to get through those even tougher tasks. This also has an auto feed spool, which means you don't have to manually replace the spool every time you need some more line. The way this works is you press the trigger in and it will automatically give you the correct amount of spool for your task. And replacing the spool at the end of its life is easy as well. Simply press the buttons in, release, and replace the spool. Now, this is really ergonomic and well balanced to use as well, so if you're using it over those longer tasks, you won't feel fatigue. The adjustable handle on the front means you can always maintain a comfortable operating position no matter who you are. And it runs off the Ryobi One Plus system, meaning that the battery that powers this tool can power over 200 other Ryobi tools. So whether you're using a drill, a hedge trimmer, a handheld vacuum cleaner, even a powered scrubber and more, this one battery will be able to power all of those tools. And right now at ITS, if you buy this line trimmer, then we're going to give you a free battery and charger to come with it. But that offer's not hanging around for long. This is the 33cm Easy Edge line trimmer from Ryobi, and it's available at its.co.uk.